Gisela and this is your channel Inglés para tu vida. Today we have a very interesting class. We're going to learn the differences between good and well. But before we start, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to Inglés para tu vida and share this video with all the people who want to learn English. So, what's the difference between good and well? Are they interchangeable? Not really. When we talk about good, we are referring to an adjective. And when we are talking about well, we are talking about an adverb. Let's start with good. Good is an adjective, as I said before. It modifies a noun. For example, a good listener, a good winter, a good book. In the case of well, we are talking about an adverb and it modifies a verb. For example, he works well or she runs well. I want to show you another good difference between good and well. Good modifies things and well modifies actions. If I'm talking about good, I can say the flowers smell good. So I'm modifying a thing, in this case, flowers. In the case of well, I can say Hans did well on his test. So well is modifying an action. The action is in the verb did. Have a look at the examples. Well may be used as an adjective to indicate good health or satisfactory conditions. For example, all is well in our city. In this case, I'm talking about satisfactory conditions. In this example, after the flu, I'm well. I'm talking about my health. My health is much better after the flu. Well, if you like this lesson, share this video with all the people who want to learn English. Don't forget to subscribe to Inglés para tu vida and remember that we upload videos every day. Have a wonderful day. Bye!